Hello there, Conastan. Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today let's learn how to say the word baby in Irish. So a common way to say baby in Irish is lanav. 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 And in the Ulster dialect, that is pronounced lanu. 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 Another way to say baby in Irish is babwy. 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 And that's not to be confused with the word for doll in Irish, which is similar. That is babog. Babog. And again, babog. If you wanted to say baby boy, well, that's lanav mick. Lanav mick. Lanav mick. And if you want to say baby girl, well, that's lanav inine. Lanav inine. Lanav inine. Then if you wanted to say that somebody is the baby of the family, as in the youngest, you would say in the case of a boy, sé an babi é. Sé an babi é. Sé an babi é. And if you wanted to say the same thing about a girl, you would say sí an babi í. Sí an babi í. Sí an babi í. Okay, so the word for pregnant in Irish is torach. 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 And to say to get pregnant by somebody, we say Airi torach le duine. Airi torach le duine. Airi torach le duine. So in English we say to get pregnant by somebody. In Irish, this translates as to get pregnant with somebody. The preposition le being used here, the same preposition that we use when talking about being in love with somebody. Inrá le duine. So there's a nice spirit of union in this expression. Airi torach le duine. Another way to say pregnant is ag umper cluine. And this means carrying offspring. Ag umper cluine. Ag umper cluine. So, if you are ag umper cluine, you're going to need at least three things. Three of the most important are, number one, cliabhán, which is a cot or a bed for the baby. Cliabhán. Another thing you need, one way or the other, is baine, milk. Baine. Baine. And of course, you'll be wanting nappies. And the Irish for nappies is clúdaoine. Clúdaoine. And again, clúdaoine. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed today's little lesson. And if you'd like some weekly tips on how to incorporate a little bit of Irish into your daily routine, then please head over to bitesize.irish where you can sign up for our gaeilge gach lá newsletter. So gaeilge gach lá means Irish every day. And it's a great approach to learning a little bit of Irish every day, just building step by step on the amount of Irish that you have and that you have in your life. Okay, good stuff. So you'll find a link in the description for that below, gaeilge gach lá, bitesize.irish. From me, Ben, till the next time, thanks for being with me, and slán go fóill.
Go to bitesize.irish and sign up for our gaeilge gach lá newsletter.